Hey student, today I am going to start experiment number 2 in applied science in civil engineering. The name of this experiment or title this experiment is determination of buoyancy force on a solid immersed in liquid by using Archimedes principle. Student, already you have to know Archimedes principle or Archimedes statement. So student, this experiment is same for mechanical engineering and civil engineering. Student, in this experiment we have to use some apparatus, wooden flow block, measuring cylinder, then spring balance, two small solid non-porous object, tap water, strongly salted water, thread, laboratory stand in this way. So student, this is the laboratory stand or brewery stand. This is the measuring, this is the spring balance. This is the slotted weight we have to use in this experiment. This is the slotted weight. This is also slotted weight. This is the water chamber, or you may say like that, this is the measuring cylinder also. Here we will take water, this water, and this is the spring balance. First we have to take observation and calculation. Range of the spring balance is 0.100 gram. This is the 0 to 100 gram. This is the range of this spring balance. Then second, least count of spring balance. So here is we have to take minimum reading, that is 2 gram. So this is the least count. And gravity, that is the acceleration due to gravity, already you have to know, that is 9.81 meter per second square. And this is the tank, water tank or measuring cylinder, you may say like that. This is the pipe. And in Archimedes law, when we have to use this slotted weight, so first we will take weight in air. So this is the slotted weight, and this weight is 50 gram. So this 50 gram I attach here. So perfect weight or actual weight of this 50 gram in the air is, keeping your mind, this is 60. Weight we will take this weight 65. So first we will take weight 65. So range of spring balance is 0 to 100 gram. Then length, least count of the spring balance 2 gram, and acceleration due to gravity g equal to 9.81. Then we will take reading solid object first. We will take 50 gram. Then reading of the spring balance. So reading of spring balance of this weight is in air is 49 grams. Then this weight we have to fill in the water completely. Before that we have to fill actual water in the measuring tank in this way. So student, this so we will collect this water. First we will take reading 50 gram in air, then weight inside the water, that is immersed in the water, that is the which is kept 63. Again loss in water, this 49 minus 43, so we get 6 gram, and this 6 gram we have to converts in the kg, that is kilogram, so 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then tap water collect. In this way we will take reading 50, 49, 43, this weight in the water, that is immersed in the water, then loss of weight 6, this is 49 minus 43, that is 6, and 6 into 10 to the power minus 3, this is in kg per, this is 6 kg, 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then tap water collect, this V tap into E tap into G, G is the gravitational force. So we will take reading 93.195, and different from this reading again we will take 100 gram. So after we will use this 100 gram, and then this is the total 100 gram reading, and again this same procedure we have to use, and our reading is this, we will take 100. So out of 100 we will take our second reading, spring balance solid object in the air, that is 199. Then full immerse, so our weight is lost in the water, because this is our statement by using the Archimedes law. Then lost water is 14 into 10 to the power minus 3, and tap water we will take again this same reading, keeping your mind 16.5 into 10 to the power 5, 16 into 10 to the power minus 3. Here I can write 1 minute student. $161.86 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. So again we will take reading 161.85, 161.85. So when we have to use 100 gram, then this 100 gram, that is the loss in air, that is 99. Then this weight 100 gram we have to fill in the water, that is immersed in the water, so that is 8.5, this is loss in weight in water. Then we will take calculation, that is 14 into 10 to the power minus 3, loss in weight. Then tap water collect, V tap into E tap into G, so calculate 1.6186 into 10 to the power minus 3, and last 161.85. So this is the difference. So in this way we will take fresh water, this is the fresh water, keeping your mind student. Again we have to use tap water, so at same time we have to use water and salt, so that is the tap water, strong tap water. And here is reading is nearly same or nearly equal or lightly difference, you may say like that. So we have to consider this is 1.61, so another reading is 1.60 or 1.65. So this is the light difference in both reading, tap water and fresh water. So student, this is the spring, and this is the range of the spring is 0 to 100 gram. Then we have to use slotted weight, this is the slotted weight, and this is the measuring cylinder. When we have to use water, that is fresh water, and when we have to immerse the weight inside the water, at that time water reduce from the water chamber and collect in the beaker. So this water we have to collect and measure with the help of measuring cylinder, that is suppose we will collect, that is the 20 ml water. In both reading 20 ml water we have to collect. So student, we take this reading difference between loss weight of the solid and weight of displaced water when equal to WS tap minus WW tap, 50 gram for tap, 50 gram water. So student, our Archimedes law, difference between two water is lost. So weight of water or weight is lost inside the water. Any body or any object you have to dip in the water, that body get lost its weight. Keep in your mind. So loss its weight equal to displaced by the liquid. This is the Archimedes law. So in this way we have to complete this second experiment. This is the first part. Keeping your mind, student. And in second part we have to use tap water. So in the water we have to use salt or any other solvent. Keeping your mind. So that's all.
No.